React Router DOM is the library which is used to create single page website and navigate without refreshing the page. So if this video is helpful to you, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video and comment your feedback. So in this video, we are going to talk about the basic components of the React Router DOM such as browser router, then routes, route, link, and use navigate hook. So these are the basic components and hook that we are going to study today. First of all, I need to create a new React app. So for that, I'm creating new React app using create React app. I'm giving the name as sample app. So it will take a few seconds. We can wait for that. Okay, our new React app has been created. So first we need to remove all the boilerplate or the unwanted files like logos and app.test. Then I'm going to change the app.js. Okay, now I'm going to run the new React project. Okay, okay, now you can see that our project has been created. Next, I need to install React Router DOM library. So I'm going to take a new terminal and I'm going to install React Router DOM. Okay, so npm install React Router DOM. Okay, now the React Router DOM will be installed into our React.js project. So now the latest version of React Router DOM has been installed. Here you can see in this package.json we have installed the React Router DOM. Okay, next I'm going to create some components. So for that I'm going to create a folder components and I'm going to create the files such as home and navbar. Okay, then sign up, then at last profile. Okay, so I have created 4 components. Then next I'm going to give the each components some background color. So I'm giving a style that is background color and then height 100 vh. So I am giving this style to all of the components and changing the color of the background. Okay, so I have give some style to each of the components. Then uh, next part that we have to do is, or the first part that we have to do is to use the or wrap the app component into the browser router. This is the first thing that we need when we are using this React router DOM. That means we have to wrap the whole app inside this browser router. So we have to install import browser router from React router DOM. Okay. Next we have to move to app.js and we have to use the components routes from React router DOM. So we are going to write or routings of each components in this routes component. So for example, we need to route the navbar or sign up component, then we can write here. For that we have to use the root component of this React router DOM. So here we have to pass two props. That means one is path. So we have to give the path of the sign up component in this path prop. So this is the way of giving the path of this sign up component. So for specifying which component we need to give this path, we have another prop that is element. So inside this element we have to give the sign up component. So this is the method of giving root. So now when we go to the project and when we give the address here, means sign up, you can see that, sorry, okay, I have we have to save the file. Okay, now you can see that, yeah. So first we are in the app.js file. You can see that here I have removed the name. Now I have given, okay. Now we are in the app.js file. So when I have given the route that is sign up, we will redirect it to the sign up. Okay, sign up page. So app is, when we put app inside this, okay, sign up page. So we can give uh, all of these components the route by using this route component. So inside this route we have to give the path, and we have to give the for if we uh, need to route home, we can give this single slash, and we have to give the element is home. Okay, now you can see it, sorry, now you can see that. we have to import. So now home is also wrapped in this routes. So when we given the home here, you can see that we will be redirected to, sorry, we don't want to put that. Just to remove this home, then we click button. You can see that here we will be redirected to this home page. Okay, then we can give route to all of these components here. So we have given the path, and for when we need to route, give the route for navbar, we can give navbar and element. Inside this element we have to give the, as we have to specify the component. So now I am going to give all of the component. So next profile. So now I have given route to all the components. Okay, now you can see that when I click here, profile, we will be redirected to the profile page. Okay, so this is the first and basic step of using React Router DOM. So next I am going to show you to use the link and use navigate in the React Router DOM. So for example, uh, when we move to any in the nav bar, if we are going to uh, create an account, and when we have a button for create an account, just a button, and in the on click there will be a function. Account. So here, or otherwise, if we want to if we want to verify anything, that means if we want to move to a page which is going to verify something. So I'm going to write here verify. This is a button for routing to a page which verifies something. Okay, so the on click I am going to add a verify function, verify. Okay, and I'm going to define the function, then uh, arrow function. Okay, now we can use navigate here. I'm going to use navigate here for performing this routing function. So here I'm going to import use navigate from React Router DOM, and I'm going to define a variable and to assign this use navigate function or hook to this okay navigate variable. So I'm going to use this navigate variable inside this verify function, and in this navigate I'm going to give uh, the into the page that I need to redirect. For example, now I am giving uh, sign up page for just navigation. So in the app you can see that when I go to navbar, we will reach to navbar, and we can see a button here. This is the button which we have defined here. So if I click here, what will happen is that we will be redirected to the sign up page. Okay, then I am going to click. We have redirected to the sign up page. Okay, I think it is clear. I'm going to just creating a sign up page. Okay, so now I have created a simple sign up page, and I have positioned this sign up page into uh, the center of the screen. Now you can see that sign up page here. Uh, uh, Please don't want to consider the design of this page. Okay, yeah, here is the sign up page. So uh, from the nav bar, when we click on this verify button, we will be redirected to this sign up page. That is happened when we are using the use navigate by this way. Okay. Next, I am going to show you the component link in the React router DOM. So for that, I am going to uh, I'm going to move on to home home page, and here I'm going to uh, write the link component, important link from the React router DOM, and we have to use the link in this way. Okay, then here we need to give the name of that link that's showing. That is here I need to move towards the profile. So I'm giving the profile as the name of that link. Then the thing that we have, the props that we have to pass to this link is to. Here we can give the URL. That means uh, here I need to go towards profile component, or I need to show the profile or route to profile. So we have to place profile here. So we can see in this is as like that of the href. We are forming a link here. So when I move it to the home, sorry, home is without any. Okay, here I'm changing the color to purple. So now you can see that I'm giving a light color or green. Okay, now you can see that the profile thing is here. So for making it clear, we can give the style here, that is color to white. So yes, here is it. This is the link that will be redirect to the profile. So this is how we use the link component. So when I click to this profile link, we will be redirected to this profile page. So that is how we uses the link. So in the both link and use navigate, we have written this URL, the last portion of this URL, because we have defined it in this app.js. So first we need to define this path before all the things. After just after installing this React router DOM and using this browser router for wrapping to this app, next we have to write this path. Okay, we have to give the route by using this. Then we can access into this use navigate hook, or into this link component as well. So this is a brief descriptions about, or a brief tutorial about the React router term. It is for beginners. So I think it is very clear, and if it will be useful to somebody, I think so. So if this video is useful to you, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and also comment your feedback. Thank you.